Hi, my name's Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for a long time, and this is my latest iteration of my website. It's the Vectorworks Training School. The idea behind this is to make sure that I develop a community of people that really want to be actively learning Vectorworks. But it's not just about a community. We have a classroom where we've got courses already created. As well as that, we've got a really active community where you can post questions and get answers. We've got maps, we can see where people are in the world. If you want to get the best out of Vectorworks, come and join my community. Now, I know it's not cheap. There's a cost involved. This is the place to get the best, the most effective Vectorworks learning. Learn to use Vectorworks effectively, not just efficiently. Now, don't just listen to me.
Jonathan has been a great resource in terms of helping me to become more efficient with this powerful program. I find his subscription really helpful because I have access to his monthly meetings. I can hear other people ask questions, and there's usually a topic that Jonathan gives very detailed information about, and they're recorded. So even if I can't attend, I can go back and listen to them. The other thing with being a member is I have access to his huge library of past videos and details. And when I have a question about something, that's a really reliable resource for me to go to rather than just Googling around. I know that what I'm being told is going to be very clear from Jonathan and quick. I tried Vectorworks for university and it hasn't really worked for me. It seems like I always have some sort of oddball question, and it just with Jonathan, he understands where people's thinking is and he can identify where your thinking is off. The other thing is if I really have a desperate question, I'm stuck, he's there. I feel like I can ask a question, and actually it's very reassuring to have a person at the other end of the conversation.
Thanks for listening.